Friday, March the 27th, 2026. Travelers Rest, State of Georgia, Historic Travelers Rest. I'll let y'all read that. I got a sign for it. We're just gonna walk around and just get some video and pictures. Really nice old, I think this is an old stage, yeah, state historic site, stagecoach stop. A well down there. Wonder what these steps here led up to years ago. I used to love to draw water out of my Uncle Lamar and Aunt Hazel's well. Use that cool dipper to drink it out of. A little, I guess it'd be aluminum dipper. This old cedar tree. Here's your cauldron. Want to mix up something here? There's a cauldron for us. I'd like to have that rat pascal there. Look at how this is put together. How they shot that. Oh, look at this old wood. Blacked out glass. Saturday and Sunday, 9 to 5. We're one day early. Nice wisteria. 5 chimneys, unless there's more on the other side. Someone has etched some initials in. Very interesting, a stone that has been carved. Okay, well, I think we will wrap this up. This one is 7 minutes. We'll see how that works.